thing runs so smooth. I believe I can scratch your back with this thing right here. Yes, Lord, this thing here, man, I'm gonna tell you what, she's smooth and she's balanced. A lot of machines nowadays, you know, they don't have the balance, and it's got enough enough weight to it where it's balanced. You know, when you're picking up your dirt, you know, you're not doing a bunch of flopping and stuff like that and all, and it's smooth. My name is Red Griffin, James Red Griffin. Anyway, everybody calls me Red. At one time, I had red hair. I'm with Savannah River Utilities. I've been in the utility business and the dirt moving business about pretty close to 30 years. Right here in Savannah, Georgia, and most are on the coastal, you know, areas of Georgia. I've done some Florida work and a little bit of South Carolina, but mainly around Georgia on the coast. Mainly we do, you know, we do some grading work, but our main thing that we mainly do is underground utilities, water and sewer and storm work and stuff and all. And but we've lately here, there's been a lot of Savannah has released a lot of drainage projects, and we're doing this project here in Pooler, and we've been over here for almost 3 years. They keep giving us more and more, and we just had a change order for about 42,000 cubic yards to do more digging and stuff and all for retentions and stuff and everything and all. And this will be the fourth Hyundai I've purchased, and I've got them from an 80 to a 140 to a 160, and now I got the 380, and this is a beast right here. I'm gonna tell you, this thing right here. Not only is it is smooth and balanced, it's, you know, when you're running it, you don't have to have you don't have to run it wide open like a lot of operators think. You got to have it wide open. You can back out on your throttle a little bit and you still get just as good response with your hydraulics, you know what I'm saying? And that's what a lot of operators don't really understand, is you don't have to run it wide open. And I like that stick on there, man. I can sit over here and load that dump truck at any, I can reach over to the cab, reach around anywhere I want it, you know, to load everything and all. But I think this is going to really work for us good here with all this dirt we have to move. You look at something that you think that's going to last, you know what I'm saying? It's going to give you a, you know, you get the, you know, it's going to be able to, because sometimes you put different operators on them, and, you know, you don't know what you're getting. So you got to make sure that you're getting something that's, you know, you feel like they can handle, you know, different ones put on it from day-to-day basis. You have to put a different operator on it and all and everything. But the main thing I try to look at is like I say again, is the balance of a machine. You know, a machine's balance. And this machine right here reminds me of the old timing machines when they used to have the big counterweights in the back and all. You know, a lot of these machines nowadays is kind of cut down. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing with those, you know, but I like having all that, you know, it gives you that, I guess, buoyancy is, you know, in the rear that gives you that, where you got the edge. You can stick that bucket way out there with it like that. They have the trucks, come on, let's load. And it's smooth, man. I mean, this machine, and not just because it's new. I mean, I've been on some new ones and they be just as jerky, and seems like the hydraulics is really there. You know what I'm saying? And this thing right here, it's set up for a hammer and all kind of stuff. I got the all plumbed and everything ready to go, man. So, you know, not only we dig dirt, you know, we also crush concrete material, and you know, we do there at my yard there, and we got a screen machine we just purchased, and I heard some good things about it. I heard, you know, different raves of people telling me, and we've been, you know, it's brand new, but we've been using it. It's actually, I thought I was going to have to get some different things, and it's putting out the product that I just need. You know what I'm saying? It's like, we're really after, it's like a 57 stone, you know, and you know, because it's with all the work going on right now in this area in Savannah, we got a lot of buildings, warehouses and stuff, and the ports is building everything, and it's been kind of hard to get stone, you know what I'm saying? And you know, we do some concrete work and demolition in the city streets and stuff, and all with Savannah and Pooler, Wentworth, Garden City as well. And you know, we're able to recycle our concrete. And, you know, with that screen machine, it not only does it, you know, give us a good product, it's also getting the dirt out of it somewhat, you know, and that's what you look at too. As much as you get the dirt away from your product, and it's doing real well, you know, with that. And it seems really durable. It weighs almost 100,000 pounds too. So it's a good size. It's a good size unit. And yeah, NED, man, I tell you, I think it's going to be great. The availability of that type of equipment when you need it, and you couldn't find no better salespeople than they got. I mean, yeah, well, Wesley Hester, he's you know, if I call him on the phone, he's on the spot looking for something, find me something, and he'll call me back that day and tell me he's, you know, putting something together. You know what I'm saying? And he's been my salesman, you know, and you know, with you guys, you know, since I've hooked up with y'all, and he's done me a fine job, and that's what it takes too, is having that kind of salesmanship and reliability of somebody like that you know you call. They got you on the back, you know they got you, they, you know, they're in mind that they, you know, trying to find some stuff for you. And like I say, y'all came through for me, and you know what I'm saying, and I'm glad that y'all coming more this way, and I hear you guys are going to have some more stores throughout Georgia and all, which is great.